There is no question as the easiest question. Every question will be hard. You should practice on your basics. And you think if you attend a mood, some might select on the basis what they want. We might go down the perspective of Java. Means there is a requirement on core Java. If you are gone, they may take for advanced Java. People who knows the advanced Java. They'll take you on multiple bases. Nearly I have attended 10 interviews. Everyone were like, no one were like, they want to hire me. They were like, how do I reject you? The more reasons you give the rejected, they will be rejected. You should always think, I'll be hired and prepared in all the aspects. In some cases, even I was rejected because of aptitude. In Everest, I think. In final round, I was rejected because of my aptitude. I didn't thought that they would ask me in final round about my aptitude, but he asked me, and he rejected in that. And in some companies, I have written the written test, but I have written the correct answers. They have rejected me. See, the more interviews you attend, the more the knowledge you will get how they are selecting you or how they are taking you. In all the interviews, only one they will follow. They will give you a written test. After that, they will take a technical round. After that, a HR round. And if they want, they will take another round to their CEO or their manager. They can ask you from anything, from your self-introduction, from your mini project, from your major project, or anything. In their team, they have asked me about Java and SQL, and their questions were quite different. I never heard of questions. Like they asked me how to compile a package. How to compile a package at a time. I don't know. In some interviews, they asked me, can you write a program on snake and ladder? They wish, it's like I'm a comedian and do something performance and they wish they'll ask anything. It's their mood. They can ask anything. You should just have confidence in what you know. If they like it, they will select.
What was the interview process? Like first round, second round?
First was my telephonic round. They asked me on Java and SQL.